Hi guys! Medyo nakabihis tayo ngayon. Kasi nag-open yung business namin kanina. So medyo presentable tayo. So anyway, nagluto po ako ng steak. Hi guys! Ayan ang ating steak. At saka baked potato. Ayan. 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 Stick siya. Balik ka rin natin. Ayan. Ito ka. Ito. Ito yung pagkasin natin. And then nag-bake tayo ng potato. Baked potato. Ayan siya. Ayan. Nakabalot. Ayan siya. Ilagay nyo lang sa oven potato. Mga 1 hour and a half. Balot nyo lang siya sa foil para hindi siya masunog. And then ito na. Linagay ko na siya dito. Luto na siya. Buksan natin guys. Okay, init. Okay. Ayan. Buksan natin. Init. Ayan, umuusok-usok pa. Ayan. Okay. Init siya. Ayan. Yung potato. And then, hiwain lang natin siya sa gitna. Hiwain natin big potato. Okay, init. Ayan guys. Hiwain na natin itong baked potato. Painit nyo muna ang inyong oven. Mga 350, mga 5 minutes. Painit lang siya. And then, i-lower nyo siya ng 325. Tapos, ibalot nyo lang siya ng foil, ang iyong mga potato. O kaya, pwede rin siya, minsan, kamote. Ayan. Pero ito ngayon, potato siya. Ayan, laki ng potato namin. Ay, init. Ayan, mainit na. Galing yan sa oven. I-slice natin siya sa gitna. Ayan. Okay, init niya, diba? Ayan, I guess. Ayan. Okay. Init. May hilo kayo sa aking camera, guys, kasi cellphone ko to. Hinahawakan ko lang siya. Ayan, nagbuka na. Uy, buka-buka na siya. Ayan. Ay, init. And then, ngayon, ilagay na natin ang ating steak. Ayan. Ito, steak pan. Mag-ano lang kayo ng butter. Butter siya. Tapos, pagka medyo tapos maluto na siya, lagyan ito. Barbecue sauce. So, and then, iyan. Ganyan lang yan. Para magpipinta lang kayo ba. Ayan. Eh, patayin ko na. Na-overcook na siya. Then, ilagay natin dito. Makinit ang steak nito. Tabak-chiching pa. Uy! Ito tayo ilagay. Ayan. And then, lagay natin dito. Uy, kalaki sa kanyang steak. Malaki. Ayan, ang kanyang steak. Come on, dinner time, baby boy. Ayan. And then, lagyan lang natin siya ng butter. Ayan, butter. Lagyan natin ng butter. Ayan.
decades ago because it didn't have as good of a feature as
Butter,
Panera did.
butter.
And they also merged it with some other companies that they own. Caribou Coffee and something else that I forget. But another business that was not anywhere near the same as Panera.
And then,
So instead of being a company
lagyan
that
nyo
was
na.
class focused
Cream.
on being the absolute best Panera bread they could be, they are now a conglomerate of a bunch of
Sour
different stuff.
cream.
Bagels, breakfast, coffee, urban, suburban, totally lacking.
And then,
If you're
chives.
private equity, this is the type of setup
Thank
that's a
you.
good idea on paper.
Kain na siya. Okay daw. Love you. Bye-bye.
Perhaps the biggest
No
signal
complaint, Daddy.
to everybody that the heart-filled and soul-filled way that Ron was winning the business was not
trying to
happening
figure
anymore.
out.
It was
My
a decision by the chain
butter.
to save money by changing how they make bread. This was originally called
And
the St. Louis Bread
then,
Company. It's called Panera Bread.
sour
And they eventually
cream.
decided to send half-baked bread into stores in order to save a few pennies and not have to spend as much on creating bread basically from scratch inside of each location. And if you're a bread company, you should have pretty freaking good bread. And it's amazing the owners didn't understand this at the time.
Then,
So fast forward to today, and
dun, dun,
customers
dun,
are
dun.
noticing all
That's it.
this.
And
They're seeing that
rest.
portions are smaller. They're seeing that the bread is of lower quality. They're seeing that the stores are not as clean. I went and looked at the reviews of my nearest Panera Bread and looked at the most recent ones. There's a ton of one-star reviews.